In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab Active 5, and today I would like to show you how you can apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. Begin by opening Play Store and getting free app called Magic Fluids Light Fluid Sim from Mad Scientist Developer. When it's ready, open it, and to mute the music, click at the bottom left corner. Then hit Consent in the pop-up. Tap on those three lines at the bottom right corner and select Set as Live Wallpaper. Then select Yes in the pop-up, and if you wish to apply this wallpaper without changing anything, click Set Wallpaper at the bottom. Then tap on one of the available options and exit Magic Fluids app. If you want to adjust its settings, click on this gear at the top right corner. Manage all of those however you want to. And even select presets at the top left corner. Click on the best one and hit Yes. Then you can also adjust all of those options. When you finished, click on the back button. Hit Set Wallpaper and tap on Home Screen or Home Screen and Lock Screen. So when I go back, as you can see, my wallpaper was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!